The animal of the day, October 2nd, is the giant oceanic manta ray, or the binomial name Mobula birostris. Type, ray. Diet, carnivore. Average lifespan, at least 45 years. Size, 30 feet in length maximum. Weight, 6,600 pounds. Population status currently, the 2nd of October, 2024. Endangered. Population estimate, over 22,000 individuals. Native lands, Indian, Mid-Atlantic, and Mid-Pacific Oceans. Primary habitat, tropical, subtropical, and temperate bodies of water. Main predators, large sharks and orcas. Active time, nocturnal. Species age, 23 million years old. Young name, pup. Group name, a squadron. Notes: this manta ray is the largest type of ray in the world. The average size of this manta ray is 15 feet long. It is dorsaventrally flattened and has large, triangular pectoral fins on either side of the disc. At the front of this manta ray, there is a pair of cephalic fins, which are forward extensions of the pectoral fins. These cephalic fins can be rolled up in a spiral for swimming, or can be flared out to channel water into the large, forward-pointing, rectangular mouth when feeding. The eyes and the spiracles are on the side of the head behind the cephalic fins, and the gill slits are on the ventral surface. The coloring of the dorsal surface is black, dark brown, or steely blue, sometimes with a few pale spots, and usually with a pale edge. The giant oceanic manta ray is similar in appearance to the reef manta ray, and are often confused with each other since their distribution overlaps. Although the giant oceanic manta ray is larger in the northern hemisphere, this manta ray can be found as far north as southern California and New Jersey, as well as Japan, the Sinai Peninsula in Egypt, and the Azores in the northern Atlantic. In the southern hemisphere, this manta ray can be found as far south as Peru, Uruguay, South Africa, and New Zealand. This manta ray is an ocean-going species and spends most of its life far from land, traveling with the currents and migrating to areas where upwellings of nutrient-rich water increase the availability of zooplankton. Since these manta rays are filter feeders, when traveling in deep water, this manta ray swims steadily in a straight line, while further inshore they will usually bask or swim idly. These manta rays will either travel alone or in groups of up to 50 individuals. About 27% of this manta ray's diet is based on filter feeding, and they will migrate to coastlines to hunt varying types of zooplankton such as copepods, mysids, shrimp, eupausids, decapod larvae, and sometimes varying sizes of fish. This manta ray has one of the largest brains, weighing up to 200 grams, and the largest brain-to-mass ratio of any fish. The manta ray is one of the few animals, land or sea, that might pass the mirror test, a test to see whether or not an animal has a sense of self-awareness. Every day is a new animal, so come back for more.